Okay, now that you can make a simple shape in Fusion, like this three-dimensional cone, let's make a complex shape by combining simple shapes. Imagine that hollowed-out interior of the cone. It's a cone-shaped hollow. So let's make a copy of the cone we've got, and think of the copy as a cone-shaped knife that can scoop out the cone-shaped hollow. To make the copy, go to Modify, Move/Copy, and set your Move object to be Bodies. A body is any three-dimensional form in Fusion. Select your cone as the selected body, and then check the Create Copy button. Then use these positioning arrows to click and drag your copy down -0.1 inches on Z. Click OK, and we'll have a copy of our cone, 2 cones. Great, so how do we use one to cut a hole in the other? Well, go back to the Modify menu, and this time choose Combine. Combine expects 2 key selections, a target body and tool bodies. The target is what you want to end up with, your complicated shape. And the tool bodies are all the three-dimensional forms that you want to use to do the cutting. So select the cone on top as the target, and select the cone on the bottom as the tool. And then look at this operation parameter and make sure that it is set to cut mode. Good. Now our bottom cone has turned red and it is effectively cutting a hole in the bottom of our top cone. Click OK to make this permanent and orbit the view to look at what you've done. This ability to combine three-dimensional forms into complex three-dimensional forms is extremely powerful. Imagine cutting these custom holes into this chainring, or modeling this engine cover housing, working on a fun geometrically inspired abstract sculpture. The power of this tool set is how you combine simple ideas into more complex ones. Next time, let's come back to our nested cone and grapple with how sharp it looks at the top and how we only ever really eyeballed the thickness of the wall.